Hi, welcome to lesson 31, session 3. Today is our refine session. This was a really quick lesson, but don't worry, we're going to continue our work with coordinate planes in the next lesson. So today we're going to take everything that we've learned so far about coordinate planes and wrap it all up and put a nice little bow on it and show everything that we know. It's only 5 problems. We're going to be working in our Ready Classroom math workbook on pages 655 and 656. Today is the day where I do not do the problems for you, but I do walk you through how to do the problems, and then you do the work independently. So go ahead and turn to page 655 in your Ready Classroom math workbook. All right, for number 1, it says, look at the table at the right. So this is the table over here. We're going to plot and label points M with our X and Y axis and N with our X and Y axis on the coordinate or in the coordinate plane below. Then we're going to write ordered pairs for points M and N and describe how to move from 0 to each point. And you're going to do that in the space here. Remember, when you write your ordered pair, you always put them inside of parentheses. You separate the 2 values by a comma. The X value always goes first, and then the Y value goes second. Or the X coordinate goes first, and the Y coordinate goes second. For number 2, it says Irvin wrote the ordered pair 4, 3 for the location of point J in the coordinate plane at the right. Explain Irvin's error. So J does not have an ordered pair of 4, 3. So I want you to look and find out what is the actual ordered pair. What should the ordered pair be? And then explain what Irvin did wrong underneath here, or write it down here. Number 3, you're going to create. So you're all going to come up with different answers for this particular problem. You're going to choose 3 points. So choose 3 of these red dots, these red points in the coordinate plane to the right to be the vertices of a triangle. So you're going to choose any 3 of these points and you're going to connect them to create a triangle. Then you're going to label each of the corners of the triangle with a letter. You can call them A, B, C, or you could, if you want to use your initials, like my initials are TLM, so maybe I would use my 3 initials. Whatever you want them to be, you're going to label them each with a letter, and then you're going to write the ordered pairs for each of the letters that you listed here on your triangle. So this one is fun. You get to come up with your own size triangle. You get to label each of the corners of the triangles with your very own letter, and then you get to find the ordered pairs of the 3 points that you found of the 3 vertices of your triangle. On number 4, you're going to use this coordinate plane to complete this table here. So you're going to look at point A, and you're going to say, what is the X value of point A? And you're going to write that in the X with the X values. And then you're going to say, okay, what is the Y value of point A? And then write that value in the Y values for point A. You're going to do that for point A, point B, point C, and point D. Then for part B of this problem, you're going to describe the pattern that you see formed by the points in the coordinate plane. Then explain how the pattern is shown by the X and the Y. What's the pattern? So you see a pattern here. And then do you see the same pattern here? Explain that in the area provided. And then finally for number 5, it says graph and label. So graph and label point A, which is 2, 3, and point B, which is 3, 2, in the coordinate plane at the right. So you're going to graph these 2 points first. Then you're going to explain how you use the ordered pairs to decide where to place each point. So how did you know to put point A at 2, 3? What do we know about ordered pairs that tells you where to put the point on the number line? Explain that to me here. If you have any questions, you can always email your teacher. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.